What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Bring you guys another video. Today we're going to be opening up another 2024 Matchbox. And this one is really cool. This is from the Matchbox Collectors. Gotta love this series. 9 of 20 in that series. And we got the 1974 Toyota Celica GT Liftback. And of course I had to pick this one up because I own a Celica myself. Hold on. Actually, right over here. There you go. That's a 96 model. Anyway, back to the video, guys. I'm just trying to get a lot of diecast Celicas now just because I have a real one. So, anyway, beautiful orange model. I passed this up a few times because I thought it was an Opel Kadett for some reason. And then I looked at what it was, and it said Toyota Celica, and it just immediately caught my eye. I just had to get it. Mine's a liftback as well. All right. 1974, and this was, I believe, the first gen. They started in 1970. Comes with a little box. Pretty nice. There's the back there. I got a dented corner there, so makes it a little easier to open. Let's try to pop it from here. That was very easy. I like that. Okay. I think we're just gonna, we're just gonna peel it off here. That comes out. Take a look at the box first. That is a very cool box. We need to keep that as minty as possible. Look at that. Very nice. Matchbox Collectors number 9. Almost looks like a Camaro and a Mustang mixed together. It's pretty neat. Old Japanese car. Love it, love it, love it. I don't know why it says 2023 there, because it's literally a 2024 release. But, alright. Check this thing out here. It's supposed to have rubber tires. I'm wondering if it has a metal base. No. Wait. Wait, it might actually be metal. No, I think it's... Oh, gosh. Yeah, it is plastic. Never mind. Okay, I thought we were cooking with a metal base here. Alright. Let's open that hood first. Oh, yeah, it opens up this way. That's right. Oh, it stays, too. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, wow. What? Oh, you gotta snap it back in place. I don't want to ruin it. Okay. There you go. That's the front with the nice GT badge on it. Beautiful detailing all around. Gotta love that. That is so cool. Orange, not too big on the orange, but that's okay. It's got these ring disc rubber wheels. Yep, these are rubber. Or synthetic rubber, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that's a plastic base. Had me going there. I thought it was metal for a sec. That's okay, though. This is such a beautiful model, guys. Beautiful Toyota Celica. There you go. It almost looks like a fastback Mustang, but it's just like shorter. Alright, this thing is really sweet. With the opening hood, too. Just pop that back again. Gotta love the way that stays on. You can like pop it back in. I really don't want to ruin it. But there's the inside there. You can see the carburetor from there. Black and silver striping. This is going to be a great addition to the collection. I mean, it rolls very smooth because of those rubber tires. Yeah, that is a pretty model. Gotta love it. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this if you want to see more. And if there's one you want me to unbox, I have a lot of the newer releases of Matchbox and Hot Wheels, so just let me know. And I should be able to respond. I mean, I don't really get that many comments, so. And sorry I haven't been uploading lately. Just been pretty busy with my life, but gotta sit back sometimes and stop and enjoy Hot Wheels and Matchbox diecast cars. It's a therapy. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.